In this video I want to talk about strong electrolytes. So strong electrolytes are substances that are completely ionized when they are dissolved in water. We talked about it earlier in ionic compounds in water video. So we can classify these strong electrolytes into different classes. So we can say they're resulting from soluble salts, strong acids, and strong bases. Soluble salts, a salt consists of an array of cations and anions that separate and becomes hydrated when the salt dissolves. For example, when NaCl dissolves in water, it produces hydrated Na++ and Cl- ions in the solution. So as you see here, when we dissolve it in water, it's separated into different ions, cations and anions. And as you see here, it's hydrated, so it means that they are surrounded by water molecules. Acids. Acid is a substance that produces hydrogen plus ions, or is called protons. Because it doesn't have electron, we call them protons when it is dissolved in water. When a strong acid such as HCl, HNO3, H2SO4 are placed in water, it means that hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid placed in water, virtually every molecule ionizes. So it means that they dissociated completely in water. These substances are strong electrolytes and are thus called strong acids. So a strong acid is one that completely dissociates into its ions. Thus, if 100 molecules of HCl are dissolved in water, 100 H+ or proton ions and 100 Cl- ions are produced. So virtually no HCl molecules exist in aqueous solution. So after we have dissociation, there is no original molecules remains in the solution. So as you see here, HCl dissociates into H+ plus Cl-. HNO3 results in H++ NO3-. H2SO4 H++ HSO4-. So as you see here, it generates protons or hydrogen ions. And the third class is strong bases. Strong bases are soluble ionic compounds containing the hydroxide ions. So when these compounds are dissolved in water, the cations and OH- ions separated and move independently. As you see here, we have caustic soda, NaOH, dissolved in water, produce Na+ and OH-, or KOH results in, or it's called potassium hydroxide, K+ plus OH-. So it produces OH- when it dissociated completely in water. So if I go back, so these are the classes of strong electrolytes: soluble salts, strong acids, and strong bases.